There's beauty in not knowing what's next. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Thursday, and right now, back to my routine. So, for you on the other screen, good luck. God bless sa mga gagawin. So, there is beauty in not knowing what's next. So, there is uncertainty sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay, diba? Who knows? You plan out everything in your life and kinabukasan is hindi ka na pala gigising. That's one, diba? Or maybe tumayan ka ng loto, nanalo ka kinabukasan, diba? Parang there's that something na wow. God made it happen. Or ako siguro personally, yung ma-share ko lang is nung back in 2015, nung ako isang probinsyano, kaka-graduate lang, so parang wala talagang, alam mo, hindi ako matravel, hindi ako, as in, it's parang hindi talaga ako yun. So ayun, napunta akong Maynila and sa napakalaking Maynila at sa magulong Maynila. So diba, probinsyano, parang walang alam-alam sa mga bagay-bagay, and a culture shock talaga ako nung time na yun sa Maynila. So syempre, hindi ko alam saan papunta to, ganyan-ganyan and all. So maraming mga experiences, but thank God you led me there, kasi I become who I am now today. Yung mga experiences na yun, yung mga challenges na yun, it made me who I am. I living alone in a new city, na magulong city, na Manila yun eh, diba? For like 10 years, and talagang doon ako nag-start eh. Doon ako nagtrabaho, and imagine sa Makati yun. So talagang grabe yung mga experiences na yan, but thank God I have built the foundation of who I am today. Yun. So I guess masasabi kong kahit ano pang mga pagsubok, I'm sure marami pang pagsubok na darating as long as we are alive. I am alive. I don't know what's next, but I'm excited. So help me God. And for you too, sa other side ng screen, whatever it is, we don't know what's gonna happen next, but I think the best thing to do is to pray, ask for guidance, ask for protection. Kung it's for you naman eh. If hindi for you, siguro ask for peace, na magpo-close yung door na magan sa loob. And if there's something or a new opportunity na ibibigay, yung something na magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, diba? Magandang environment, or something na mabait ka talaga. So I guess yun lang yung thought ko for today. There is beauty in not knowing what's next. That's God's plan. Let's trust Him for it. Ayan lang. Annyeong, mama. God bless.